What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to build a simple email assistant that will be able to send and reply emails for you, and as well as have access to your contacts. Alright guys, so here's the build, the email assistant, and let's just do a quick demo so you guys can see if it's for you and if it is valuable for your workflow. So I have just sent over an email to my connected email address, N8N, which is this right here. And so just got an email, hey man, what's up? Coffee on Sunday. So let's get our agent to get that email. Let's see, what is the latest email from Jordan Lee? Let's see here. So now it is checking. It used the get many tool and used open router. And okay, the latest email from Jordan Lee has the following details. It's got the email address, subject, snippet, and would you like any further actions related to this email? Okay, so it just received that email. Now let's do a quick reply. So we'll go, hey man, reply this. Hey, coffee on Sunday sounds great. Can we meet up at 3 p.m.? Let's just send that off. Okay, reply. There we go. Seemed like it had an error there, but it actually went through on the second time. So reply this. Okay, I've successfully replied with this message. Hey, coffee on Sunday sounds great. Can we meet up at 3 p.m.? If you need anything else, feel free to ask. So I'm gonna pull up this. I'll go to my sent here, and there we go. Hey, coffee on Sunday sounds great. Can we meet up at 3 p.m.? So this is my sent inbox, and then I'm actually gonna pull up the other email address right here, so you can see that we did receive it on the other email address. So hey man, what's up? Coffee on Sunday sounds great. Can we meet at 3 p.m.? So received, and we'll just do a quick little demo of this contacts agent, and we'll maybe look at this here in a second. Not sure why that's doing that, but so we're just going to see this is just a get many, so we'll be able to receive the contacts. We won't be able to do anything else other than just receive it with this tool, and you can add on other Google Contacts tools as well. But so we're going to search for Chris Smith. Let's do that. Hey, is there a Chris Smith in, actually, does he have an email address? Sure. In my contacts. It's just a random name, random email address. So there we go. Yes, there is a contact named Chris in your contacts, and it gives all the information here. So let's just send an email. Send an email to Chris and say testing 1 2, testing 1 2. It's not even a real email address, so okay. Anyways, somebody will receive that and they're gonna wonder who the hell this is. But anyways, sent off there. Let's confirm it right in our email address as well here, right in our inbox. Sorry. Let's reload this. If it will load. There we go. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2, sent to chrissmith@gmail.com. Okay, and so that is the demo, and that is what you can use it for. Send and reply emails, and also access email addresses within your contacts to send it to them. And so it can all be automated through AI, so you don't have to do it manually anymore. So let's just get into a live build right here. So we'll open up a new workflow. Okay, let's add in a chat trigger. All right, and then we'll add in an agent, and we will give it a system message. You're a helpful assistant that uses Gmail and contacts tools. You're a helpful email assistant that uses Gmail and contacts tools. All right, and so we will give it Open Router. You can use OpenAI if you want here. I'm using, we'll go 4.0 Mini. 4.0 Mini because it's cheaper. And for this, you'll just have to create a new credential. If you haven't already done that, you can either set it up through OpenRouter, or you can also just add in OpenAI if you'd like. And then all you would do is come over to here, create a new credential, and go over to Platform AI, go to API keys, set up an account, and then you'll enter your API key in here, and that'll all be done. Also add in some credits. If you don't have credits, you'll need credits. But once you have this set up, we're actually going to delete this. Just use OpenRouter because it has better tracking for cost analytics. And so we've got our OpenRouter here, and we will give our chat a simple memory also, so it can listen to, memorize the context that we're giving it. So let's get onto some tools here. We're going to add in a Gmail tool, and let's go get many, and we'll rename this to search. All right, and we'll just go, we don't want to return all. Maybe we'll go 10. Simplify, we'll let that go there. What else do we need here? Do we need anything else? Let's see. Nope, limit, and that is it. Let the AI do that, and we'll move on to the next one, which will be a send node, so we're able to send off some emails. Okay, so we're going to switch this over to text, and we're going to let AI do this, subject as well, message also. Let AI take care of that. We got send there, and then we will append N8N attribution and turn this off so it doesn't have that N8N signature at the bottom. And once we do that, that's finished. We'll add in another tool. Let's not get that deleted. We're going to add in a Gmail tool, and we will reply, and message ID, we will let that, we'll let AI fill that out as well, and then we'll go text here. And message will also let AI do the work for us. And so a lot of these you can just let AI do it, which is very simple now. You don't have to fill out a bunch of parameters. Okay, so we'll organize this. We'll get our search, and this will be our reply node, and this will be our send node. All right, and let's fix these up right here. Okay, and we will also add a delete node, just because. I always do this. Gmail tool, and then delete. Message, delete, and we'll let AI do the work there for us as well. Just want to check if my mic's on, that would suck. And there we go, we've got all our 4 tools here. Now, one thing you are going to have to do, okay, is when you have these Gmail nodes, okay, you're going to need to connect a credential. So what you're going to want to do is create a new credential. You see I already have mine connected here, but you're going to create a new credential, and you are going to need a client ID and client secret, okay? And what you're going to need to do is come over to Google Cloud Platform, okay? You're going to need to create an account, and then I will link in a separate video that I have on the Google Cloud Platform and how to set up your N8N credentials. But I will link that video down below. Once you get to this step, just go over there and follow that, and then come back to this. And once you have this set up, then you'll be ready to actually use the agent. And same thing for contacts. So I added a tool, but I must not have. So we're going to go get money. That's why. Use query, limit. Oh, yeah, I define it, sure. And then we'll go addresses, events, email addresses, phone number, names. And that is what we will do. Okay, guys, so we got that email here. So cleaning company proposal. And let's just ask the workflow. I'm going to name this workflow. Simple email assistant. And let's just ask it, what is my latest email? Okay. Using the Google tool search, and your latest email is from Lee with subject, cleaning company proposal. There we go. Hey, I want to send you a proposal. Let's use the send tool, and we'll go reply this. Send the proposal over. Okay, it's going to search, and then it's going to use the reply tool. I replied over, send the proposal over. Okay. And let's go to our sent. And there you go. So send the proposal over, and I'll bring over my other email where it replied to. So send the proposal over, and that is from us. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's just do a Google Contacts submission here, and we'll just ask for the same person. So I don't message anybody else. We'll just message ourselves here. So is there a Jordan Lee in my contacts? All those contacts were fake, so I don't want to keep messaging and emailing people randomly. Yes, you have a contact. Okay. Send them an email for me saying golf this Thursday. We already confirmed that this works, so now confirm that we can actually find the contacts within our Google Contacts node and over here. So it found my my other email address in the Google Contacts, and so there we go. And let's check our Gmail here. All right, let's check our email and go to sent. And golf this Thursday. Hope you're doing well. Are you available for golf this Thursday? Okay, and so I sent that over, and let's actually, so it did this right here, and so I guess the AI agent just did that in general, but we can change the system message to say like, and the email, add the email that's sent with my name. That will probably send through, and if that doesn't send through, we can actually do this right here. Come down to add options, sender name, and then you just add your name in here, okay? And you do that for the rest of these, like reply. You go add option and sender name, and we add our name here, okay? So this is a really simple tutorial, guys, but I feel like a lot of the step-by-step tutorials online are very advanced, and you don't really go through some of the more simple stuff. And if you can't do the simple stuff, then how are you supposed to build on top of your workflows and actually be productive with AI? You know, a lot of these complex systems, you can download them and use them, but you don't even know how to do half the things, and then it becomes broken. So I think the more simple we can keep the AI automations, the better, and the more useful it will be for like business owners and just personal use cases anyways. And so I'm going to leave this template in the description below, and that way you guys can have it free to download. And yeah, I'm going to try and do daily uploads on this channel, so stay tuned. If you're new to AI or even more advanced, I'll go into some advanced stuff as well. And so if you guys like this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.